Hey teachers, let's talk about feedback. You know those rich, meaningful conversations we have with students in practical subjects like art and design, construction, or hair and beauty. Those moments are packed with gold. But let's face it, when we translate them into written feedback, they often lose their impact, becoming a dry laundry list of actions, and much of that rich conversation is lost. Here's the good news. Research shows that recording verbal feedback in audio format is a game changer. Studies have found that audio feedback enhances understanding and engagement, especially for non-native speakers, thanks to its personal and conversational tone. It boosts motivation and deeper reflection, helping students adopt stronger learning strategies. It's faster for educators while maintaining high-quality feedback. But let's be real, the process of recording, downloading, and then uploading the feedback to give it to students often feels like more effort than it's worth. Well, not anymore. I've got a tool that will be a godsend to your teaching toolkit, Vocaroo. With Vocaroo, there's no sign-ups, no email hassle, and no recording time limits. And best of all, it's completely free and it's GDPR compliant. Let me show you exactly how to use it to revolutionize your one-to-ones and feedback process. Step 1. Access Vocaroo. Start by heading over to vocaroo.com, and when you arrive, you'll see a clean, simple interface that's refreshingly easy to navigate. There's no clutter and no confusion. Next, we record the verbal feedback. Now, before you start, I recommend preparing a few bullet points to guide your feedback. This keeps it focused and clear, but if you're just recording your conversation, you can go with the flow. So we start by clicking the big orange record button. Hi Paula, so your bricklaying technique is improving really well today. Your joints are much neater. For next time, focus on keeping your alignment consistent throughout the wall. It'll give your work a more professional look and finish. As you speak, you can pause the recording if needed, then pick up where you left off. When you're done, simply click stop. So once you've finished recording, you can click the save and share button, and Vocaroo gives you a handy link for your audio file just here. You also have the option of a QR code, and you can download the file too. Copy the shareable link that Vocaroo provides, and then paste it straight into Microsoft Teams or any other messaging tool you use with students. And then the recipient simply clicks the link to listen with no extra steps or apps required. They can also download the file too if they need it. Okay, Paula, your bricklaying technique is improving really well. Your joints are much neater today. For next time, focus on keeping your alignment consistent throughout the wall. It'll give your work a much more professional finish. It really is that simple. So here's why Vocaroo is a must-have tool for your feedback. Simplicity. It's intuitive, quick, and requires no technical know-how. GDPR compliance. It's safe and secure for both you and your students. There's no logins or emails to mess with, and the recording will last for 3 months. After 3 months, the recording will automatically expire or delete from Vocaroo. Convenience. Students can revisit the feedback anytime, anywhere, ensuring they truly absorb and act on it. You can use Vocaroo to capture verbal feedback, individual tutorials, or check-ins. For example, during a one-to-one sketchbook review in art and design, you could record feedback discussing specific strengths and areas for improvement, providing actionable advice for refinement, and the recording lets students revisit the feedback as they work, ensuring nothing gets lost in the moment. You could even encourage students to take an active role in their own learning by guiding them to record their own verbal reflections or peer reviews. For example, students could record their thoughts on their own project's strengths and weaknesses, or provide constructive feedback on a peer's work. This builds critical thinking skills, promotes ownership of learning, and offers students an opportunity to practice articulating feedback effectively. Crucial skills for high expectations learning. Recording verbal feedback doesn't just save time, it adds depth, clarity, and impact to the way that we communicate with our students. Tools like Vocaroo make the process so easy, there's no reason not to try it. Head over to vocaroo.com today and start creating feedback that students will truly value. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share how you're using verbal feedback in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're doing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again for another Tuesday Tech Tip.